What does the future hold for society? In what kind of world do we wish to live? And if we could redesign the way we live, what would it be like? Can the stresses of today be eliminated? Can cities be designed free of traffic problems, pollution, crime, and poverty? Will hunger and disease be things of the past? Sound impossible? When you really start asking these questions and looking for answers with an open mind, you may come to realize it's a lot more possible than you ever imagined. But when governments are self-serving, corporations in turn greedy and neglect the environment, and religion has splintered into countless sects, where do you look? That's the real question, and it deserves a real answer. For more than 60 years, Jacques Fresco has been seeking answers to many of today's problems. And for the past 20 years, his associate Roxanne Meadows has been working with him. He's well aware of the issues that continue to threaten our way of life. He has found that most of these problems have common causes. If we deal with the sources, then the problems associated with them will begin to disappear. The two of them built a 25-acre research and design center known as the Venus Project, which is located in Venus, Florida. The Venus Project represents a bold new direction for humanity and explores alternatives and possibilities to improve our way of life. The actual buildings and conference center, along with the models, illustrations, blueprint posters, and video presentation, are the first steps that have been completed to help one see, feel, and touch the future. Over several years, they designed and erected the buildings and put in landscaping, ponds, and lakes. Here, technology and the environment coexist in harmony. They built models of their proposed cities, filmed their videos, and produced their books about the future. Almost everything has been called into question. From our dominant values to our crime-ridden, congested cities, from education to the contaminated water we drink and the air we breathe.
Many people today attempt to point out the shortcomings and abuses of our social system, but rarely offer positive approaches. What you are about to see is just such an alternative vision of what the future could be if we use the methods of science with human concern. It protects the environment and provides people with all of the necessity that clean technology can provide. In order to accomplish this, the earth and its resources must be declared the common heritage of all people, and all of the artificial boundaries that separate people must give way to a resource-based economy, where all goods and services are made available without money, barter, or any means of exchange.
The Venus Project offers an optimistic view of humanity's ability to scale new heights for today and tomorrow. This video is about that vision. It presents more appropriate ways of dealing with the problems of today: crime, housing, hunger, unemployment, war, environmental neglect, and human relations, to name just a few.